Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we're taking a look at our Veefriend hoodie. Now, I think this is pretty cool. You have your Veefriend patches on here. Accountable Ant, what do we got? Patient Panda, Polished Poodle, Creative Crab, Adaptable Alien, Rare Robot, Entrepreneur Elf, and many more. So, it does have a hood on it. And there's a character on the top. What do we got? Be the bigger person. Overall, it's nice. It's a different style hoodie than I normally am used to. At first, I will admit, I didn't like it. I thought it was a little scratchy at first because when you look inside, you can see that the patches go right through and they can be a little hard. But as I've been wearing it and getting used to it, I actually like this a lot. It's kind of like the Dapper Dog hoodie that we have. At first, I was like, this feels heavy. I don't know if I like it. Now I love it. And same with this. So that's always good when it comes to clothing reviews. Always wear something for a time period before you make your final judgment on it. And I'm glad I did for this. So overall, I like it. I actually met my parents for breakfast today. And my mother, she's like, where did you get that? I want one. So at the time, it was only auctioned for a live stream on Veefriend Fanatics live stream. And I have been told that you can get it at VCon. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what I've been told. But yeah, really cool. Highly recommend it. It is so unique. I did catch a bunch of people looking my direction at the restaurant that we went to because how can you not? First of all, you see all these little creatures. What are they? You see Veefriends right there. Overall, I love it, guys.